On the MTV, that ain't working, but that's the way you do it. Money for nothing and you choose free. Now that ain't working, that's the way you do it. Let me tell you, damn guys ain't dumb. Maybe get a blister on your little finger. Maybe get a blister on your thumb.
We're gonna have some fun today. We don't want anyone to get hurt, so just be sensible.
Sensible.
I still remember it was all the way to the Cadillac was rolling down the break of vision, going 120 miles, man, it was just spinning over the head, night, all the back is going, and she was burning, all the guys were pissing, and it's spinning, was returning, so she said about a thousand miles of burning, she was burning, burning. The funky kind of preachers on a funky school teacher. She had a line or something, but we knew we couldn't reach her. We told her that we needed something that would get us going. She laid down all she had and poured it on the canvas, so all I had to do was lay my money down and pick it up. My papers and go Charlotte! Go Charlotte!
Get some beers. Come on.
Jet Conyu, we're at the town's dust up.
Hey!
4130 Fridays, everyone say motherfucking!
Hey!
Yeah. Good boy. Good boy.
This is a man behind the lens.
Chrysler shifts like shit.
I don't.
Not in time now, probably not.
Harley Davidson, suck my ass.
Get her, dude. Lock 'em up. Lock 'em up.
Fuck all y'all.
Back shut, boys. Oh, he's measured that out perfect. Look at that.
Hey.
Look at that.
Done it once or twice, mate. Where's the gabagool?
Yeah.
Well done.
Fucking hot wired the distributor. No power from the ignition switch.
That's the Lincoln Camilleri car, mate. There's like $14 on that.
Pull it up, pull it up.
It look like a ball sack, but that's a spade.
It's good looking ball.
Bro, do you have your pen license?
Well, you video on this shit? You video on this shit? Look at that.
Did everyone here earn their pen license?
Yeah.
Oh.
Took me a couple
Oh, go you fucking good thing.
Watch the poster. Fucking hell, no, quick color.
What are you doing, cut?
Really nice and swear.
Oh yeah.
My name is Mel Campbell, and we're here at the 2026 Downs Dust Up, and we've had an awesome turnout, and it's not done yet. You know, we've got a band, we've got fucking bands, we've got music, we've got beers, we've got a heap of cars here, and we're gonna have a crack tonight, mate. And I just want to say, everyone, I want to say a big thanks for coming out. And Cam brought his missus too, so I don't know, not much, but. What are you gonna tell me? Yeah, putting in a bit of fucking work. Oh, it's 26 fucking Downs Dust Up.
Oh yeah, it's pretty fucking sick of that, you know, just being here.
We're having a good time, and we appreciate it.
What happened to you?
Such a pretty sight to see, and there's nothing like for me.
We're here on fucking Friday night at
You know it's very funny, and I don't have much money. Change my color if I can. Change my face and my hair. Don't wanna be a moving part. That's all ladies rearrange.
God damn. Just 3 solar panels for sex machines.
Blue skies and sunshine.
Right.
Run up to vision.